Hello, nieces and nephews. We did a mini food haul today. Food Pantry, that is. All right, as usual, we're going to start from left to right. Today they gave us 2 melons. I believe these are honeydew. Oh, I love honeydew melons. I'm going to use these for smoothies, cut them up and put them in there. And that's going to be really good. Look, y'all, I got some hot peppers out of my garden. All right. Nina, Shy, you all stop playing around. 3 ears of corn. I'm going to put these on the grill and show you how to do my spicy corn. Yes, smoky and spicy. That's delicious. 2 macaroni and cheese, but I'm going to use these for casseroles, okay? I'm probably going to make another chicken casserole. 2 packs of drumsticks. That's nice. Ooh. Nice big box of mashed potatoes. Instant. That's a good thing. Tomatoes. I have, what's this, 4, 5, 6 tomatoes. I'm going to make me a nice, no. I'm going to make my Reaper hot chili pepper sauce. Yes, I'm going to show y'all how to do that. I'm going to show you, ooh, yes. That's what I'm going to do. Sweet potatoes. I think I'm going to make either candied yams or sweet potato pie. No, I want to do candied yams with gravy and black pepper. Yes, it's going to be good. Trust your Uncle Chris. I've got some linguine, and I happen to have some shrimps, so I'm going to make linguine and shrimp. Don't know what sauce I'm going to use. I'll make that up as I go. 2 cans of fruit in light syrup. Make those into smoothies too. Jay'll love that. Got some grape jelly. Ooh, that is delicious. Ooh, 2 cans of tuna. I think it's time to use that macaroni and cheese, well, the pasta, to make a tuna casserole. Yep, I haven't made one. I'm going to show you how. Ooh, mixed veggies. Can of those. Can't go wrong. More peanut butter. I could build a peanut butter castle. All right. Ooh, peaches. Got some delicious peaches. Put those in there. And check this out, you all. Can anybody tell me what these are? These are green plums. They're delicious. Very sweet. Yes. Got some apples. I have some, split peas. Some green split peas. So that means I'm going to make some split pea soup. I also got some quick oats and a nice bottle of oil. And I needed some oil. What a blessing. This is a true blessing. I've already given food to Miss Bambi and to my sister. So, and some other people that can't get out, but they just don't want to be named on camera. So here's a good pan of everything we got, you all. All right. I'm going to do my little garden show to show you what came out of my garden this year, okay? We've already pulled most of it out, but I'll show you what's still left. All right, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you are in need, write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. Okay? That's Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. I will try to find resources for you wherever you live. If you live in Chicago, I will refer you to some of the food banks, okay? Don't be afraid to reach out, and don't you be ashamed to reach out. All right? All right. Thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe, and big love from Uncle Chris. And if you just need to write to me to talk, that's fine too. Your Uncle Chris is here to listen. All right. Bye-bye.